Just off the beaten path on Van Buren and Aberdeen, West Loop's most convenient community for commuters and those looking for a little more peace and quiet. Today, we're back at AVRA to show you the completed project of 198 units among 22 stories in this true boutique West Loop wonder. There are a few different studio layouts here at AVRA. This north-facing 07 tier offers loads of light with its floor-to-ceiling windows and awesome L-shaped layout with plenty of space for sleeping, living, and even a work-from-home and dining space. If you're looking for luxury in Chicago, you've come to the right place. We find you the best apartments in the city, so you don't have to. Subscribe to our channel and see what it's really like to live in the Windy City's top properties. All of these convertibles are laid out so well for one person. It's the ideal compromise between a studio and a one-bedroom with plenty of closet space. And of course, you still get a dishwasher and your own washer and dryer in unit. Want to see this studio or any others in person? DM me on Instagram or comment below for a tour of this property or any others in the neighborhood. You will never believe this one bedroom is only 650 square feet. With its 2 full walls of windows and sun pouring through on the southwest corner, it feels well over 800. Plus, you can see there's plenty of space for an extra large sectional, up to 4 bar stools, and at least a queen-size bed. Now, this is quite the fabulous kitchen for a one-bedroom. I mean, most 2-bedrooms don't even have this much kitchen storage. Plus, this extra window offers stunning sunset views as you prepare your dinners. We're in Unit 1410 Convertible, same size as 1407 Studio at 500 square feet. You decide if you'd like to keep the space open or have one of their built-in dividers, adding additional storage and easily converting this space into a junior one-bedroom. You will love the big, bright windows and clean, modern finishes, like the fancy marbled tile surround and flooring in the bathrooms. Check out the bonus details too, like built-in bathroom shelving and black accented towel hooks and faucet finishes. From studio to 3-bedroom apartment homes, this boutique property has got you covered. We're in a 2-bedroom on the 18th floor, southeast corner with extra tall ceilings in this roommate-friendly layout where the rooms don't touch. Plus, you have your own private terrace to take in these truly one-of-a-kind Chicago skyline views. Of course, AVRA does penthouse life right with elevated floor-to-ceiling windows, personal wine fridge, walk-in kitchen pantry, and 2 private balconies to truly appreciate your new all-around city views. Just another floor up from the penthouse level, the Sky Lounge is your new office, pouring with sunlight and more views for days. You will be motivated to make every meeting and Zoom call before noon. Even better than WeWork because you can make lunch at home downstairs, walk your dog quick, or run some errands with Target just across the street. You'd be surprised how much space is up here for a boutique building. Try a neighborhood hotspot, Joya, just 6 blocks up on Randolph Street, where you'll have to taste the pizzetta appetizer and the tableside baccheri with fresh tomato sauce. Or hit up one of over 25 other fan favorites on Restaurant Row, one of the only places in town where you'll find plenty open on a Monday night. This is where you'll make every and anyone happy, from vegans and vegetarians to ice cream lovers and coffee fiends. You can try a different place every night of the week, all month long. The makerspace allows your creative cleanse to begin, whether you love to paint or you have other DIY projects you've been dying to challenge. There's no shortage of gym equipment or space to stretch, whether you prefer cardio or strength training. And who needs a pool when you have an entire rooftop garden to relax and sunbathe in peace? Just another note to add to the list of charm AVRA offers. True tranquility with the city at your doorstep. Do you think this is the home for you? My team and I will be happy to help you get all moved in. DM me or comment below and we will be in touch soon. And please be sure to subscribe and share with all of your friends.